Okay. So, what is web service task? First of all, let us discuss. So, we can call a web service from integration services. So, we can call in fact a web service from the integration services. See, web service is basically a method or a function over the network used to share information between applications. Web services are these days very common to retrieve the weather information, stock quotes, or currency conversion kind of thing. This is basically with the B2B, business to business. Suppose you have a website, in your website, you need to show weather information. How do you show weather information in your website? Just imagine how to show weather information in your website. Monica, how to show weather information in our websites? Weather information changes from hour to hour. Day to day it changes. And sometimes even if a forecasting mechanism, next 7 days, how it is going to be. How do you put that information in your website? Who gives you weather information? Can your website generate the required weather information? It can't. So therefore, in such cases, how do you get the weather information? Normally, you look at your desktop, you have a widget. With the help of widget, you can see the weather information. From where you are getting the information, weather information. Sometimes you have currency confirmation related stuff. So how you convert the currency from one currency to another currency, how do you do that? So for all these things, services are available for us. Using those services, we can do that. Because they change from time to time. If you take weather forecasting, it changes. Today you have one weather, tomorrow another weather, day after tomorrow another weather. So normally who provides you weather information? It is provided by meteorological department. They give you weather information. So they give you weather information. So regarding the day-to-day temperature, regarding actually any cyclone kind of thing is going to take place. So all this information you can get from the meteorological department or meteorology department. They give you information related to weather conditions. So we cannot afford to have all that within our system. In your website, you cannot have any such mechanism because to get the weather information, sophisticated gadgets are required. Individual or a simple small company cannot do it. Only government can afford to have such things because government can have the departments, so they can be collecting weather data from time to time with the help of satellites or with the help of other means. They can be collecting information related to weather. So that weather data we take and we try to show in our websites. Probably we pay some amount to the providers. Meteorological department may be providing you that information from time to time. So on monthly basis you may pay something. So by paying some amount we can show it. Similarly, related to stock information or related to say something like currency conversion. Currency conversion rates also change very fast. So from hour to hour it can be changing. From day to day it can change. To get live data, you need to take some financial services providers help. With help of them, you can get data related to such information and you can post in your website. So therefore, you are going to use somebody else's services. So service called as here web service. That is also nothing but a website. We host as a website as a service in the internet. To that particular service, we get connected and we consume the service. So similarly, here what we do from SSIS, we get connected to a particular web service. From there we pull information and show in our, we are going to use here. That information we get from there and we try to use in our application. So now what I do exactly, we get connected to a particular web service called as webservices.net. There you have currency conversion information. That information we take here. Then after that we try to here get the conversion rate from US dollar to Indian rupees, how it is, we can find out here. So therefore we are going to use here a web service. So by using first of all web service, you need to have here some information. Either you can get global weather or you can be getting currency conversion, different kinds of things you can do. Just try to type in the Google first of all, not in the Google, just try to type in the address bar. In the address bar of the browser, type www.webservicex.net. Web service X, web service, no space. Why you give space always? Space should not be given normally. Webservicex.net. Just not net, you put, press the enter key here. It gives you all these services. You can look at all these are nothing but services. Currency converter, GeoIP service, then global weather, stock quote, send SMS India. Like this you have here information. Can you click on that send SMS India? Click on that send SMS India. How this is going to work? See, this one is send SMS to India. Send unlimited free SMS to India. Maximum message size is 120 characters. They say unlimited SMS you can be sending with this. You can specify here like this, and you can send. Who are the providers, network providers for us? Airtel, Idea. These people you have. So this service let us try to use. Let us try to send some SMS with the help of this one here. We try to send some SMS, so we can be sending here. So here what we do now, we need to refer that particular thing. We are going to send first of all SMS with the help of that particular service there. Okay, so here therefore what we do, drag and drop. First you do come to the application, don't close this window. Here first of all you try to create here a connection manager. You create a connection manager. Try to create a connection manager. So the connection manager is going to be, yes, you need to take here HTTP. You have here HTTPC on the top. Yes, you take here HTTP, click on add. So server URL you need to put there. What is the server URL you are keeping there? You need to put server URL there. Server URL is going to be right there. Whatever you have in the chart, go to the browser. From browser you take it. On the top you have there. Copy. 1 minute. It may not be like this. So once again, see this one you need to take. In the bottom you have a link C. The bottom, that one you copy. Copy that. Only this line you need to copy. Copy that and try to put on the, yes, paste there. Here next thing is what? Test connection. Click on the test connection. Test connection succeeded. Click on OK. Click on OK here. Next thing, drag and drop web services task. Drag and drop there, web services task. Okay. So now come to the desktop once. Come to desktop. Come to desktop here. So desktop, not this one. Close this. Go to the input files here. Go to input files. Open that input files folder. Input files folder you open. Yes. So launch notepad once. Launch notepad. Launch notepad here. Write my nothing in this. Save as. Click on the file. Save as. Save as. Here select save as type all files. Save it as all files. Go to that particular input files. Okay. Here write, no, don't open anything. Just input files. Open the folder input files. Open the folder input files. Click on the two times. Now it's opening. Here write file name my WSDL. In the place of file name, write my WSDL dot WSDL. WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language. Click on save. It's going to be XML file. Okay, close this. Okay, now come to the this SSIS. Here open the web service task. Click on that twice. Edit. So first of all, choose the HTTP connection. Just now you created one connection, HTTP connection. Take yes, that one. Select it and click on the WSDL file. Go to the input files. From there you choose. Yes, open that. Select. Now 1 minute. Override WSDL. Take there. Override WSDL. Write true there. Click on that. Write true. Okay. Now download WSDL. You click on this. Yes. Click on OK. Now here input as well as output parameters we need to choose there. So input as well as output parameters we need to choose. Now take the input. You need to specify here the method name. What is the method exactly you require here? Click on that. No methods are available in this right now. So come to the okay. No methods are available. Here there should be methods available. Fine. Can you come to the browser window? Come to the browser window. Browser. Here what is the method we have? Send SMS to India. This method we need to take there. Click on the send SMS to India. Click on that method. Click on the SMS to India. Click on that. The method name is what here? Send SMS to India. Copy that. Copy the send SMS to India method name. Here what you do?
This one, sir?
Yes. What you do here, just try to type, before that you test it. You have mobile number, I am typing my mobile number. With that mobile number try to send whether SMS is sent or not. I am typing in the chart window.
Sir,
my mobile number I
okay,
type in the chart window. Paste that 9989735385 is the number.
Sir, 998973
5385. 5385. Okay. From email address. You put your email address or some address you put. Yes. Then message. Sending SMS from web services. You can put like. Sending SMS from web service. Okay, click on invoke. Okay. State not covered, status not covered. So it's not sending any SMS to us. It's not sending any SMS to us. Provider not covered, but this is Airtel only. They have written there. They are providing Airtel. So it hasn't given like that. Can you put 91 in that? Just try to put 91. See, SMS to India means 91 is not required in that. Okay, close this window. Just close this. So here put 91 in the beginning. 91. Now click on invoke. saying not covered. So it is unable to send the SMS. Therefore, instead of using SMS service, some other service we use. Currency conversion, let us use. Go with the currency conversion. We use here, come to this code, currency converter. Yes, copy this. Now come to the FTP connection. I think with FTP we need to specify that. With FTP first of all, not that. Let that be no problem, cancel. Come to the FTP. Open in the bottom FTP connection, not FTP, HTTP connection manager. Here specify that path. You remove that totally and paste in that area. Okay. Now test connection. Fine. Click on OK. Now come to open the web service task. Here see go to HTTP connection on the top. First of all choose from that. WSDL file, also try to choose the previous file whatever you had. My yes. Here download WSDL you type. Okay. Click on OK. Now come to the input. Click on the method here. You should be getting methods from that. Whatever available methods are there, you should have. So try to put a method name in that. Method name is what? In the case of currency conversion. Okay, so what you put in that? Currency converter. The method name is what we need to take here. Method name. So this is going to be currency converter ASMX you have here. Conversion rate. You take the conversion rate method. Yes. Click on the conversion rate. Put there conversion rate. Type the conversion rate there in that area. Type that conversion rate.
No, sir, it's not coming. I'm
Okay.
typing.
Then what you do, just cancel it here. Cancel once. Come to once again browser. So in this, okay, just type there, not this one. Copy this WSDL schema. Here, see that one you copy. Again, put in one more
Yes, sir.
browser window. Go to another browser window. Browser window.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, paste it there. Press enter key. Now copy everything from here. This is copy all the things from this. No. See, from here you copy everything. Whatever WSDL you have here, yes, from there, everything you copy. Select and copy totally till end. Till end you copy. All these are different currencies.
Yes, sir, I copied.
Okay. You created some time back WSDL file, web services description language file. Open that file. In that file, try to put. Sometime back we created. Yes. In this, open the text file. Open with. You cannot open like that. With Notepad, you need to open that. No, cancel, close there. With Visual Studio, don't open. Close that. Just launch Notepad from Notepad. Try to open it. First launch
Okay,
Notepad,
sir.
then open from there.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, it's not. Close this one. Close. Fine. Yes. Launch Notepad. First launch Notepad. After that you can do it.
Okay.
So launch Notepad. Then from here open that file. Open. Go to the here. No, that's fine. Input files. Open here. See. Select all.
All fine.
Choose now my WSDL. Click on open. So whatever you copied, you pasted here. This one. Select everything and
No,
paste
sir.
here. No. Now paste everything in this. Copy totally and paste here.
Then what is this, sir?
Same file downloaded. Copy and paste here in this. Once again, copy and paste. No, already
One second,
copied.
sir.
Select it and paste on the top of this.
On top of this, sir?
Yes, select all the things. Now select everything. After selecting on that only, you overwrite.
Okay.
Paste it. Fine. So this is basically currency conversion is created. Go up in this. So this is basically called as the SOAP message. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. With the help of the Simple Object Access Protocol, we can, yes, now close this, save the file. Save the file. Okay, you save the file.
Yes, sir.
After that, come to the web services now. Web service task. Now open this here. Open this web service task. Edit. Then HTTP connection you take. Now with the WSDL file, click on this. Yes, click on open. Open that. Okay, true that is. First of all, download WSDL. Fine. Successfully downloaded. It has message input. Here service. Can you click on the service? First of all, go to service on the top. Currency converter. Here method name you take now. In the method name, conversion rate. We have taken from currency to currency. We have taken here. So try to set here from currency. This is US dollars. Go to the value. Go to the value here under value. No. There. Click on that. USD you put. US dollars. USD you can put. You have USD. Then INR. In the place of AFA, put INR. Indian rupees. INR is going to be Indian rupees. Yes. Now come to the output. So you can put into a file. So click on file connection, click on the file, click on that new connection. In the output files, not existing file, create file. Browse and in the output folder try to make it. So desktop, output folder, try to put a new name there. Output files, yes. Open the folder. Here try to put a name, not the currency conversion rate. Currency conversion rate dot XML. You put XML. Click on open. Click on OK here. Fine. Now click on OK. Just try to run this. Successfully executed. Now go to the output folder and try to find out conversion rate. Open the file using open with Internet Explorer or Chrome. Open with Internet Explorer. Open with Explorer. You are getting here conversion rate. Double 63.9165 you are getting here. This is the conversion rate we are getting. Double 63.9165 is the conversion rate you are getting. When you convert dollar into rupees, this is the rate you have here. Something like almost 64 rupees for $1 it is going to be. Now no here, even when you open file you get same thing. Click on no here. Okay, so close this. Like this, you get the file here. You could create file. Instead of creating file, you can put into variable also. What you do? Create a variable. Try to create a variable. So right click, go to variables. Here create a variable called as currency rate. It is what type of data? Double type of data you need to take here. Double data. Correct. So don't put anything there. That is fine. 0.0 or 0.0. That is okay. Now you should get the variable there. You have to get variable. You have to get value into this particular thing. So here what we do? We can get first of all the variable value. From there we should be doing it. Okay. Then here we kept USD and INR. Then conversion rate response we need to get here. So here next thing is open the web service task again. Open the web service task. Edit that. Okay. Here now come to the output. Click on the output here. In this output type is what? Not file connection. You need to put into variable. Go to the file connection area. Take it as variable here. In the place of variable now, try to specify currency. You get one minute. Click on further. You require like this here. User conversion currency. That is fine. You create it in this manner. Here this is what we have created the variable there. So once again come to general. Click on the general there. This is web service task. Once again come to input. Fine. Come to the output. Come to the expressions. Like this you have here. So here what exactly we do? We created here file. This is okay.
Variable.
We are getting the data into variable. This is fine. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now from this we are putting into some variable there. Trying to put into some variable there. Into that variable it can be coming. Now let us separate variable from this. From XML file now you need to read data. Drag and drop XML task here. You take XML task. Okay. Extend web services task to XML task. Open the XML task here now. Open XML task. So in the case of XML task, here first of all operation type is required. So we need to have here, go to general, once operation type, correct. X path you take. Operation type must be X path. Okay. Similarly, source type is variable you take. Source type is going to be variable. Fine. Then after that, take the source. What is the source exactly? User currency.
Currency.
That's fine. Now other thing is here, one more thing what you require here is destination type also. Try to create one more variable. Click on once OK here. Click on OK. After that, try to create one more variable. Write it as currency conversion rate. Currency conversion rate. This is also double data. Take this as here, double data. Try to set. So this one is going to be double data. We create. There are two variables we have created in this. One is currency
Currency.
conversion. Currency rate we create. Other one is currency conversion.
Currency conversion.
One thing you do, don't make it as integer, you make it as a string. Go to the variable, try to make a string only.
I made
This
both
one?
as double, sir.
No, not double, make it string. Because you are reading from the XML file, XML data that is. Make it string here. So here, don't close, don't close. Here in the place of 0, fine. Delete 0 once again put 0. Now type 0, fine, click outside. Close the window now. Come to XML task. So here, this is what source type is variable, source is user currency, save operation result. What you have in this, click on that. That can be false only, 1 minute. That can be, we can set it as, what we are setting there, source, you put true because into the variable ultimately you are going to save it. Put it as true there. Now after that, you need to have there, expand operation result. Operation result, expand that. Here destination type is variable again. Destination is what exactly variable name you take. User conversion rate, correct. Here false you have in the place of false, try to make it true. Okay, this one is what here, second operand type is going to be here. We have taken direct input. Second operand is going to be slash double. In the place of second operand, put slash double. Slash double. It's going to be slash double. Then after that, one more property, important property, XPath operations you have here. So expand operations, in this spot values you take. Click on OK. You are getting data like this. Then after that, try to take one script task. Take one script task here. Yes. From the XML task output you give to script task. Okay. Now open the script task. Open that. Go to read-only variables. Pass the read-only variable. From here, conversion rate you choose. Conversion rate. Yes. Click on OK. Then write edit script. Come to edit script here, try to display.
Yes, sir.
Now inside this write message box dot show. Message box dot show. In the brackets, put it as, so what you write here in this, DTS, I think you need to put DTS dot variables in the square brackets, in the double quotes. What is the name of that variable? User colon colon. What is the name of that variable?
Currency conversion rate.
No, conversion. I think conversion rate, not currency conversion. Currency conversion rate. Copy that.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, if you type, you get mistakes. In typing mistakes, you get copy that and paste. That's all. Yes. Come to so total. You paste it. Close. Close square bracket. Then write dot value dot to string. Dot to string. To string you put start and close bracket, put a bracket at the end, put semicolon. Like this you make it. Now here, save this, click on OK, try to run. This should give you message as currency conversion rate. Start executing it. It's failing there. What is the reason? Go to this and see. DTS runtime exception it says. Can you move towards right side? Just stop this one. Some problem you are getting in this. Stop it. Stop it from running. So go to the variables.
Yes, sir. It's already.
Go to variables.
1 second.
Right click variable here. See, currency is going to be double. Currency conversion is going to be single like this. This is fine. Click on close here. Open the web service task on the top. Edit. Go to the input. Input you take. This is fine here. Next come to the output here. Variable user currency, this is okay. It's coming correct only. Now click on OK here. Come to the XML task here. So this is operation type is export, source type is variable, source is user currency, this is okay here. This is fine. So currency is basically about double data. Currency we have taken as double data, like I think, okay, this should not be,
Sir,
just cancel
second
it.
operand.
1 minute, just cancel this here, cancel, come to the variable declaration, right click here, so go to variables again, select currency,
Yes, sir.
select currency, it's not double data, it should be string data only again, take it as string. So 1 minute, no, it's a 0, whatever you have removed that
sorry.
again try to put. So here put 0 just, that's all. Click outside, close it, try to run again. How much you are getting now? 63.9314 is the conversion rate you are getting it. This is basically using a web service to collect, to get information related to currency conversion rate. Currency conversion is not straight away available for us. With the help of the B2B, B2B means business to business it is. You have your website, from your website you get connected to some other website, from there you pull information. Or here what is happening, from your application you get connected to website, from there you are pulling data. Here that's what we are doing. Same application once again let us try to do. Same application once again try to do. Stop it from running. Create a new application. Click on the file here. Just pay attention please. We are going to use here two different tasks. One is what web service task, other one is what XML task. So using web service task, we get connected to a remote web service. A web service is nothing but a method which is going to run somewhere in the internet. So this comes under basically SOA. SOA stands for Service Oriented Architecture. There we use it. It comes under Service Oriented Architecture. So with the help of that, we get connected to a method which is available somewhere in the internet. So this is called as basically web service. Web services can be SOAP based or they can be RESTful web services. This is exactly what SOAP based XML web service. You are getting data like in the XML format. Now with the help of this, we get connected to a web service. So from there, what you do, you retrieve data in the XML format. From XML format, we are separating data and showing the result here. So for that purpose, first of all, what we need to do, we need to create here a HTTP connection. HTTP, you have different types of connection managers. You can be getting connected to internet. You can be getting connected to website. You can be getting connected to FTP server, or you can be getting connected to a flat file, or you can get connected to say a database. You have different types of connection managers. Now with the help of this one, with the help of the HTTP connection, so what we do, we can establish a connection here. So when you try to establish connection, you need to specify what resource you are trying to access. Go to connection managers, first create connection manager here. Right click, the new connection manager, take here HTTP. Yes, click on add, followed by specify URL here. What is the URL you are using there? It is going to be not sending SMS India, it is currency conversion. Click on the very first link here. You take this URL you can take. WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language. Click on that, paste here. Okay, now first of all, test connection. It's getting succeeded. Click on OK. So here connection we made. Next thing is what you need to use web service task. So once, okay, you drag and drop the web service task. Before that, 1 minute. No. Before that, you create the variables. Required variables you create. Variables. First variable is what here? Currency conversion XML. Currency conversion string. Currency conversion string. This should be like string type of data. Going to be string type of data. Yes, fine. You can put a value 0 in the place of the value 0. Just click in that, put a 0. Then try to add one more variable, conversion rate, that is. Take conversion rate. Even conversion rate is also going to be string only. String, put a 0 in that. Like this, we created here two variables. Click on close this. Now we need to configure the web service task. Open that. Now HTTP connection, first choose the connection manager here. Fine. WSDL file is required. You can choose same WSDL file. Okay, my WSDL you created. Override WSDL file is true you make. You can click on download WSDL. It can be downloading WSDL. Click on OK. Now next thing is what here? Input parameters you need to take. First of all, choose a service name. Currency converter is service name. Fine. Method name is what exactly? Conversion rate is the method name. This is fine. Come to the, here you need to choose from what currency to what currency you want to convert. USD, you take US dollars. Okay, this is what exactly? Indian rupees, INR. Yes, choose INR. Click on OK. Output also you need to take. No, 1 minute. Take output. Yes. It is not flat. You can save it to file or you can save it to variable. We are saving it to variable. What is the variable name? Click on that. Choose a variable name. Conversion rate. First one. Yes. Second one.
Second
Conversion
one,
rate
sir.
string. Correct. It's going to contain XML data for us. Click on OK. So what we created, web service task we created. What exactly we have done in this? Once again open and try to explain that. What you have done in that. Open once
Yes, sir.
again. So yes, you mapped with the connection manager. Then we are referring the WSDL file. As soon as we
With
refer that, we are downloading fresh WSDL. If any methods are changed in the original file, so it can change here. Now override WSDL file is true, that is. So whenever you click on the download WSDL, it's going to be refreshing file. Again, new content is going to be downloaded and kept in the file. Click on OK. The next thing is what? We go with the input. In the case of input, you need to choose here service. What service you are going to use? Fine. Currency converter. Then method name you need to choose here. Conversion rate. That's fine. Come to output. You need to configure here the parameters like from what currency to what currency you want to convert there. From US dollars to Indian rupees you need to do there. Indian rupees. Take INR, select it, fine. Come to the output. Where exactly you want to put the output here? Output is going to be what? Currency conversion string, where we are saving it. Variable, correct. Currency conversion string. Click on OK. Click on OK. You are getting this output like a variable you are getting. Here what you do now, one more script task you try to put. Take the script task. Once again, take the script task. Try to run. Try to map the output of this to script task. Open the script task here. Go to edit. Then try to display this one here.
Sir, read only variables.
Read only variables, correct. Read only variable. Here, try to get it. Yes. Click on OK.
Currency conversion string.
Yes. Currency conversion string. Edit script. Try to print it here with message box.
Okay, sir.
Here, right. Message box dot show. Inside this, try to write DTS dot variables. In the square brackets, in the double quotes, try to put. What is the name of that? Go to the, yes.
I'll copy it, sir.
That's better always. Put here, close the square bracket, then dot value, dot toString. Okay, start and close brackets. One more bracket you put, semicolon you put. Save it and run the package once. What result you get, whether you can use that result or not, try to find out.
Yes, sir.
You are getting data like this. How can you use this data? You are getting like XML data. You have their root node followed by double. In the double you are putting data. How can you use this data? This data you cannot use. Straight away it can't be used. Like XML file, you are getting data. To separate data from that, we use here now XML task. Data like this you are getting. To separate data from that, you can use here now XML task. Stop from debugging here. Stop the application. Now put the XML task. So in the case of XML task, yes, give output from that to XML task. Okay, open the XML task now. Here edit. Try to specify here, first of all, operation type. Go to the operation type. Operation type, click on that. Go with the X path. Then see, this is, it's not file connection, it's a variable. What is the source exactly used here? Source is going to be,
Currency conversion
yes,
string.
date string, correct. Then operation result, expand it, take the operation result, yes. Operation
This
result
is
is
true,
what?
sir?
No, that's fine, that's true only. Same operation result is true. Now destination type you
Okay.
take. It's not file connection, it's a variable. What is destination exactly? Conversion
Conversion
rate.
rate.
So it is not false, you write override destination true, that is. Now here, second operand type is direct input. Second operand is what here? You cannot get anything here. Cancel this. Slash double you put here. Second operand is going to be slash double. Okay. Here XPath operation is going to be evaluation. It's correct. Like this now, we made it. Click on OK. Now once again, one more script task you take. Drag and drop another script task. Okay, from XML task you give output to the script task there. Open that. Here edit. Again read only variable, that is. Next variable is what?
Conversion rate.
Conversion rate. Click on OK. Here come to the edit script and try to display the message.
Okay, sir.
Here write DTS task result, above that try to put it. DTS dot variables, in the square brackets, in the double quotes, try to put it. What is the variable name you have? Conversion rate you take, you can print it.
Oh, sorry. No, sir. Script changed.
So no, you say? No?
Yes, sir.
Then copy that
Yeah.
again. Put there. Yes. Close double quotes. Dot value dot toString. Yes. Start and close bracket. Close that. Now save. Try to run.
This is the first script task, sir.
Yes. First it displays message. It is 1 minute. Click on OK. Showing something like this is wrong. Stop it from running here. Once stop it from running, something you are not getting correctly, go to the XML task, script task 1. Script task 1. No. Script task 1. That is script task, and script task 1 is in the bottom.
Oh, sorry.
Edit. Yes, click on that. When you come to the edit script, come to the other window. Yes.
Yes, sir.
User conversion rate dot value dot toString, when you say what data you are getting. Okay. Close this here. Close this.
Okay.
Come to the,
Cancel.
click on OK. Come to the XML task. Open the XML task here.
Yes, sir.
XML task. Edit it. Here see operation result. Can you expand operation result? Destination we are writing over, that is okay. Second operand is going to be double data we take. XPath operation is going to be evaluation. So here second operand type is direct input we have taken. Click on OK here. Run this. What result you are getting? See.
Okay, sir.
This is the data you are getting. Click on OK. Fine. Okay. It is showing here path iteration selector. Click on OK. We are not getting data properly. Why don't we get data? Stop it from running. Open the previous application and see once. So open the previous application. Whatever you created prior to this. No. Previous
Yes, sir.
application. Click on that. Open the existing application. Open. Otherwise, go to recent projects here. Recent projects and solutions. Not projects, not recent files. Never open recent files. Projects and solutions. Okay, what was the recent
Yes, sir.
one?
Projects and solutions.
Project 17. If you put
This
proper
one,
name, that
project
would be better
18.
always. Project 17 you take.
Okay.
Click on the project 17. Now open the XML task. How that is done? See in the XML task. Edit. User currency. Direct input. This is correct. Variable. Source type is variable. Operation type is XPath. Like this we have taken. Okay. Now click on OK this one. Okay, open the previous project. This one 18. It is 18. 18. Yes. Click on no. Now in this open the XML task. Next one. Edit. Operation type is XPath only. Currency conversion string only we get. Conversion rate we take here destination. Direct input. XPath operation is not evaluation. Come to the evaluation here. Is it evaluation? Come to this in the bottom. XPath operation. Click on that. Values you take. Click on OK. Now run this. In such case, you can get the result. Yes, you're getting 63.9104. Like this, you get the data. This is basically what this is a XML task as well as web service task. So from web service, we are retrieving data as XML file, XML data. From XML data, we are separating currency data, and ultimately we are showing. So this task is going to be useful whenever you want to get connected to a web service. From there, you can first of all from your application you can pass data to web service. So once you pass data to the web service, it's going to be processing there. The result you are going to get, result you can use in your application. This is called as your web service task. With the help of this, you got connected to a currency conversion service. Now from here, suppose you want to take this data and you want to update in the database table. You can update in the database table. So here what you do, the script task whatever you have, delete it totally. Stop it from running. Now delete the script task 1. Select and delete. Delete it. Now from the XML task you go to the database. After this you need to go to database. So here execute SQL task you can put. Okay. Now try to create one table in the database.
Sir, you want me to give the link connection?
Yes, link connection give to that one. But before that, you require even a connection manager. You go to the database first. Go to the database.
Okay.
There you create one table. In the table, what you do? You put there US dollars, Indian rupees. US dollars you enter, automatically this will be converted to Indian rupees.
Okay.
Maulik, are you following? Shravan, funny, are you following it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, 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 funny.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're saying something?
No, no, whether you're following it or not, I was asking you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir. I was
these are going to be only tools. So in the case of tools, you need to practice more and more. But real programming involves in coding, in fact. When you work with C Sharp or .NET, or when you work with say Java, Ruby, there it's going to be coding. This is all using the existing tools. For that purpose, you need to practice more and more. Even tool usage is also required very much. We should be in a position to use the tools. But for this required thing is more and more, practice. If you have logic, that is not enough here. You need to practice more and more. With logic, you can write your own piece of code. But here, if you try to write your own kind of thing, does not work. You need to work with the existing, in the existing manner, in the predefined manner only you should work. Then it works. So here, required thing is practice. As you practice more and more, you get the required perfection in that. Okay, now try to
Sir,
create, what is the
yes, sir.
database normally you are using here?
MSBI.
Not MSBI, you can't use MSBI. Okay, MSBI you,
Data.
fine. Expand
Yeah.
MSBI. MSDB you can't use, but MSBI you can use. Correct. In this, try to create one table. In the
Yes, sir.
table,
Table currency.
yes, you try to put here just US dollars and Indian rupees.
Yes, sir. I kept USD as money and INR as money.
Instead of taking money, you take just float. That will be fine.
Okay.
You can take float. INR also float you can take. So
Yes, sir.
one more thing, comma you put conversion date.
Okay.
Comma conversion date.
Date, sir.
Yes, conversion date. Date time.
Date time.
Put date time.
Yes, sir.
So here what should happen? Uh, Conversion date time should have default value. It should have a default value. When you enter data, automatically it should have their default value.
Okay.
So go with the alter the table. You try to alter table. Alter table TBL currency. No, 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 not adding. Why you add that? Press enter key. Once again, alter only inside that. Alter.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, press enter key. Right. Add constraint. In the next line, add constraint. Add constraint. Put some name there. df underscore. Df underscore. Conversion date. Get date. Right. Get date. Start and close bracket. Give space for day for conversion date. Conversion date. I think alter table you need to put. Alter table TBL currency.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now try to execute this. Saying here, right there after before get date put default. No, 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 no. Default you need to put. You need to put default. Give a space. By bracket you are keeping there. Don't put any bracket. Give space. That's all. Now execute. Syntax you need to remember. You need to practice a lot. Now it is made. Now try to insert some data. Only USD you enter. Don't enter any currency. Indian INR don't enter. Insert only some currency in dollars. Start the bracket. Values you can't enter like that. In the case of values, all the values you need to enter. You need to enter only the dollars. Therefore, put USD in that. USD. Then give a space. Close that. Give a space. Values. Try to enter only US currency. Enter some amount.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. One value is not enough. If you put one value, what is the point
Okay.
in that? Try to put multiple values.
Okay.
After that comma you put, more values you put. Okay, you are
Yes, sir.
getting it.
16
Fine.
rows.
Now we need to change this data. You need to
Yes,
change
sir.
this data. So how do you do? From here you have to do it. Okay. Just try to write a procedure in this. Just write a procedure, stored procedure here. Here write create procedure SP underscore USP. Never put SP. SP means it is a system stored procedure. Try to put USP there. Always try to put USP. Okay. This is what USP underscore TBL currency. You cannot put table name there. Write it. Get Indian currency. Get Indian currency. So here just pass the what value pass here. Conversion rate you need to pass. Here write at the rate, C rate, at the rate, C rate, C rate you write, C rate.
Okay, okay.
Give space var char of 100 you put. Var char of 100. Okay. Then after that write as begin. Here write insert, not insert, update you need to write. Update. So what table you are going to update in this? Update
TBL
here
currency.
TBL currency. Set INR equal to right here USD multiplied with star you put here write convert, use convert function, convert in the brackets, write it float, comma you put, then at the rate C rate, close bracket, give space there where right INR is null. like this. So after that, press enter key, then write end. What we have done, we created here procedure, execute this. Entire thing you execute.
Yes, sir.
Now it got completed. Come to the SSIS package now. Here, open the, first of all, create here connection manager. You create here SQL connection manager. New connection manager, create it. This is what OLEDB you need to create. Yes. Server name already you have there, MSBI. I think you can.
No, sir, I'll take, sir.
Yes, that's better. Yes. Okay. Click on OK. That's all. Now next thing, open the execute SQL task. Edit. Here connection, first of all you need to choose. Yes. Source type is direct input. SQL statement. EXEC you write EXEC. Give a space.
Stored
What is the
procedure
procedure
name.
name? USP
Yes,
underscore.
1 second, sir. I'll copy from you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Give a space. Put question mark. Click on OK. Go to the parameter mapping. Here add a, first of all click on add here. Choose variable name first. What is the variable name?
1 second, sir.
Conversion rate you need to choose. Conversion rate.
Yes,
I
sir.
think conversion rate. Input parameter, that is fine. Data type is varchar. Data type is going to be varchar here. See, varchar,
Sir?
data type. Data type
Sir,
is
I
not
have
about
one.
data, input only that is. Data type is varchar. String that is, that means string type of data that is. If you don't have string, scroll down and probably somewhere you have varchar. Varchar you take. Okay, in the place of new parameter you put 0 there. Put it as 0. Delete that and put 0. Yes. Click on OK. Fine, that is OK. Click on OK. Now try to execute. Click on that, OK. Now go to the database and see what happened in the database. Select star for PBL currency. Execute that. It's changing, currency is getting changed now. Everything is getting changed like this. So we can take data from the web service, we can populate your database. Like this we can do it. Okay, so it's working. What we have done in this, we have taken here a HTTP connection, then we opened web service task. From there we are coming into script task. Then from there we come into XML task. In the XML task we separate data. We get the conversion rate. That conversion rate we send into execute SQL task. Here we call the procedure. We pass parameter. Like that we are executing it. So this way we can actually work with the web services as well as with the XML task. You need to know about XML. What is XML? What is XSD? What is XPath? We are using so many things. That's why I was saying you to go through the XML. XML is very, very important. Okay, we meet tomorrow.